Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have an Outlet 2009 Kawasaki ER6N. This motorcycle is an outlet bike and will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you today. Front tire on this bike looks to be in incredible condition, looks fairly new. Comes with a dark tinted windscreen. A Corbin seat. And a luggage tour pack rack on it. Rear tire as well, great shape, looks fairly new. Again, the seat. And our dark tinted windscreen again. So this bike has had a minor set down. You know, got a little bit of the end of the lever, edge of the mirror up here, but that's really all I find on it. So pretty minimal. I think I said 15. 16,520 is what's on it. This 2009 Kawasaki ER6N is an outlet bike and will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping. SimplyRideUSA.com.